maybe you're focusing on what's not going right, right? The thing that just didn't come out the way you wanted it to, or the challenge that someone you love is having, and you can't see the good for the challenge. Maybe you can't see the forest for the trees. What's actually happening is you're missing gratitude. And this card in the Oracle of the Lake deck is going to show you exactly why. We're exploring the Celebrate card today. It's about what you need to do. What is great about this situation that I am not seeing? How can I celebrate more of me and put that into this challenging time? Or maybe you've just achieved something and you're already on to the next thing, right? You haven't celebrated. This card reveals that the celebration in your life expands so much. It expands confidence, it expands courage, it expands self fulfillment, and it expands abundance. And what it's asking you to do is to shift your energy. When it shows up, it is about celebrating. It's a fire card, it's action, it's stimulating. And when we aren't celebrating, we are in a state of lack. We're in a state of not seeing all of the wonderful things around us. When we are aligned and we are celebrating the goodness, we gain clarity, confidence, courage, self fulfillment. And that makes us so much happier, so much at peace, and having that inner joy, that inner joie de vivre. So ask yourself, where am I not celebrating? And how can I release that and take action on it? And mostly, what would shift if I celebrate every little nuance in life? We don't need to overthink and negativity abundant around us. We just need more alignment. So celebrate yourself to greater success and discover more in the description. And be sure to hit the link provided there for more insights about the entire Oracle of the Lake deck and all of the transformation that await for you when you use it. And I'll see you in the next card.